registration PH stroke 00085 stroke 2012. Our question states that a rubber ball is dropped on a height of 81 meters. Each time it strikes the ground, it rebounces 2/3 of the distance it last fell. Question 1. Through what distance did the ball fall when it struck the ground the 6th time? Question 2. Through what distance had it traveled from the time it was dropped until it struck the ground for the 6th time? Solution. The first question requires us to find the nth term of a GP. And from the formula of finding the nth term of a GP, we know that A R n minus 1 will give us the nth term. So the 6th term will be A, and our A is 81, our R is 2/3, and our n is equals to 6. So the 6th term will be 81 times 2/3 into bracket 6 minus 1, which is equals to 81 times 32/243. From our calculator, this is equals to 10.667 meters. So this is the 6th time of the GP, or the distance it covered in the 6th term, in the 6th time. Question 2. Through what distance had it traveled from the time it was dropped until it struck the ground for the 6th time? The second question requires us to find the total distance the ball traveled up to the 6th time. This will require us to show by a diagram. So let us assume the ball was dropped from that point. It struck the ground, that is the ground level, and it rebounded 2/3 of the original distance. It then fell again and rebounded 2/3 of the previous distance. So this pattern is repeated that way up to the 6th time. So we are required to find the total distance it covered through all that distance. So the formula of finding sum of a GP is sum of n terms A1 minus R power n over 1 minus R. That is, if R is less than 1 and our R is 2/3, so this formula will apply. And our A is still 81. 81 into bracket 1 minus 2/3 power 6, close the bracket, divide by 1 minus 2/3. So from a calculator, we'll find that 81 into bracket 1 minus 2/3 power 6 divided by 1 minus 2/3 is equals to 221.667 meters. So this is the distance it went 6 times, but this is not the total distance it covered. Remember that every time the distance it was being repeated. When it bounced, it was covering the previous distance. So the distance was being repeated twice, except the first distance. So we'll have to multiply all the total distance times 2. 221.667 times 2, which is equals minus 81. To remove the first distance, which we multiply by 2, and this first distance was not repeated. So from our calculator, the answer will be 362.334 meters. So answer is equals to 362.334 meters. So this is the total distance the ball covered up to the 6th time.